This is the letter P. This is how you write the letter P. The sound of the letter P is P, as in pan. Priya plays with her father. She calls him Papa. Papa makes puppets. Priya likes to watch the puppets dance. Have you ever watched a puppet dance? They have a pet parrot. The parrot talks a lot. There is a proud peacock in the tree. Do any of you have a peacock feather collection? A pig is standing under the tree. Priya's mother makes dosas in a pan. Priya likes pumpkin curry made by her mother. What is your favorite food made by your mother? Priya writes her homework with a pencil.